Giga Chat meme coin seems to be one of the only meme coins that is rapidly rising in the cryptocurrency space right now. You can see over the last kind of month here how it has had its swings, its ups and downs. But if you look over the last year and kind of go back to June and May of 2024, this is where the exponential growth really was ready to happen. And you can see just over the last kind of since August, which is very recent to be fair, this coin has rocketed, really gone up from 0.009 up to 0.024, so that's a 3x. I want to talk about who is potentially controlling this coin. Is it just a whale manipulation? Is it worth getting into? And also show you guys some other meme coins in the crypto space right now that I think have even more potential and some very big alpha behind them. So subscribe if you're new here, stay tuned in, and let's talk about Giga Chat. So $0.024 right now for $221 million market capital. The circulating supply is 92%, which is a good thing because you're not going to get a large injection of supply, which will create a shock on the price, effectively diluting the value of each token. Now, looking at GigaChad, the overall mainstream retail accessibility, we're looking at Radium, Meteora. We've got a few dexes, right? And a couple centralized. I wouldn't really call these good centralized exchanges. MEXC, though, you know, I dig them. Very good exchange. But the others I'm not super keen on. But most of the volume, I guess, is coming from what looks like the Radium Dex anyway, which is absolutely fine. So this is a Solana meme coin. We know the Solana kind of DJ and the Solana ecosystem has a very big appetite for risk, and lots of these coins can do well, but a lot of them can also go south very quickly. Giga Chad, it says John Phil the Wick chapter 3. So Giga Chad is this kind of crazy meme coin right here. It says the Giga Chad meme on Solana, the big one. What is Giga? Giga Chad is a meme that has been around for years, that is now a worldwide phenomenon. So yeah, could be one that does get continuation. We know that the price is rocketing at current time. So one thing I do want to do is just check one thing first. So, what am I going to check when I look at a coin? First things first, straight off the bat, I will scroll down on DEX tools and check the DEX T score. 99 of 99 is always a very green flag. Now, I can tell just from looking at what's going on here and these buys that they are potentially deploying a volume bot or a micro bot, which is absolutely fine. And what this effectively does, it allows the coin to trend and get tons of sells and buys over a 24-hour period. So it's got a higher chance of trending to the retailer. But yeah, we can see by the quantities here, it does look like there could be some sort of bot deployed. Fine, typical crypto sort of marketing 101. Liquidity is nice at 2.84 million. The overall MC is 230 million here. And one thing to just verify the size of the community, because we've got 11.5k holders. So how do we verify these holders? Well, what we could do is we can just quickly head over to the Soul Scan. We can see they've got 11.5k holders. So how many Twitter followers should they have? It should be in the region of that as well. Well, 9.4k followers. So you could assume maybe not every holder is followed, but this does tell me as well that it's very unlikely that this Twitter is botted right here. So yeah, so far GigaChad is looking pretty good in terms of its overall analysis. Looking at the holding distribution, you can see there aren't many wallets of over 1%. We don't know how centralized these wallets are. We don't know how affiliated these wallets are. All of these wallets could be owned by the same small circle of people, which can be quite likely. So that's one thing you've got to consider. Is it a close network? Is it a bunch of VCs? Is it a bunch of whales that, like I say, control $20 million worth of the supply? Something you do have to think about when you do look into a meme coin. Because, it only takes one person to destroy a chart. But just looking at GigaChat, it has been explosive, exponential. And on the day, even now, it is just up, and going absolutely parabolic. So yeah, one I just picked up on, just looking and doing some research today. So big pump wouldn't chase the green candle. We can see a bit of a slant on the volume here on the daily time frame. And if we could just check that 1 hour volume, what's going on? It is dipping a little bit as well on the 1 hour volume. Really big pump. Probably would not want to chase this green candle, however, because it has already pumped. And obviously, what looks like a great entry would have been at 0.007, which then you would have over 2-3x gains. So now the risk is a little bit too high. Would I just go and dump 10k into this right now? Probably not, based on that information. But overall, really cool ecosystem anyways. What else do we want to talk about? Well, we can see the top 10 holders. They basically hold this quantity of Giga tokens, which is 1 billion Giga. That's 10% of the total supply. we can see the max supply is 10 billion. So that does also make sense. So those top holders could be a small network of people holding about 10% of the overall supply, which is not a terrible thing, but that's when that sort of centralization, or that feel of centralization comes in. But I guess those funds could be, maybe allocated for marketing and other things like that. And here we can see again the list of who is holding. So you can actually go into these owners, these wallets, you can have a look at the soul scan, and you can do your own analysis on those addresses if you were ever sort of, not too sure about, if they're connected or not. And sometimes you can find and pick up on things. So yeah, GigaChad really is an interesting meme coin right now, and it could still keep going up. I'm not trying to FUD this one. 221 mil on the MC with staggering volume at $10 million. So of course this one has pumped quite a lot already. Now what if I was to tell you that there could be another meme coin out there that's got even more potential than GigaChad, or maybe even another meme coin out there? If you're already in Giga, it could be worth holding another one, right? So I want to very quickly just show you a coin. First things first, if you are new here, check out my Patreon group. If you want to achieve time, financial, location freedom, make money from your laptop, your phone, check out my Crypto Legend group, where you're going to get trading signals and early alpha calls on meme coins to get you into ones like this. So this is Top G 1500, ladies and gents. I want to share it with you. There is some huge news coming out for this coin, by the way, at 5 p.m. UTC today. So stay in the know. Rain check it, or write it down on a bit of paper, bookmark it or whatever, because these charts could get very exciting soon. Now, I got my alpha group into this coin, not as early as I'd like, but they are up still a decent 4x. So I got them in around this purple rectangle over here, and we can see we are starting to consolidate in this what looks like a symmetrical triangle range. Did have a recent massive volume blast, but a lot of selling pressure because there was a few selling orders around 4 million MC. So we have come back down on the price, but I do perceive that there will be another pump for Top G 1500. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what is this coin? Well, actually this coin is a fully doxed and KYC developer who is moving fast to Romania. He is walking to Romania by foot from the United Kingdom to meet Andrew Tate, and this is his story right here. He's got 60k followers. He's going to meet the Tate brothers, and this is big speculation. Is he going to meet Andrew Tate? His coin is called Top G 1500. Will Andrew Tate then promote the coin? This could lead it to grow 100x or something absolutely insane. So it's really worth just speculating on this. It's one of the hottest coins right now of a real strong narrative and story, and we're really seeing that reflection here. So MC of 2.77 million, 181k on the liquidity, 1.7k holders, and a DEX tool score of 81 out of 99. That could indeed be a little bit higher, and I think we'll see that go up over time as things consolidate more and the growth continues. But yeah, guys, like I say, this is a really, really hot one. You can see, look, Meraki Crypto also retweeted. So there is a kid who's walking from England to Romania and is currently 45 days in. He's also a meme coin around it, and that is the meme coin right here, everyone. So this is absolutely insane that we're just wondering what's going to happen. Is he going to meet Andrew Tate? And then we see this chart here just absolutely fly to the moon. So it could go so high if that does happen. So one thing to always speculate and see what could indeed happen for this particular coin. Give them a like. Check them out down below. J Gorilla, awesome developer. We know that is docs and KYC'd in that sense as well. The other coin is Pepe Unchained. This will be launching very soon. It's in an ICO phase, 222% per annum on the staking. What it is a layer 2 infrastructure meme coin. It's going to have its own very dedicated block explorer for Pepe. And when you click through, you can see it's all about basically being speedy, high security, low fees, and of course, meme coins. One Pepu is $0.009. You can buy it on BNB as well. You can switch networks, and at 9 million raised, the price will be going up again. So if you want to secure some of these Pepe on-chain tokens, I'll leave a link down below. Of course, it's an ICO, it's a meme coin, it's high risk, high reward territory, but sometimes does deliver good gains. And on the staking side, here is the staking dashboard where they're delivering 608 Ethereum. Not Ethereum, God, that would be a lot, wouldn't it? 608 Pepu tokens per Ethereum block. So that's pretty decent as well. And you can see the slow supply release of rewards over time at the same time. I think it's cool. 10.7k followers, lots of hype, getting a lot of retweets and traction and following behind this particular coin. So there's another one as well, guys. So check out the Top G 1500 down below. I think we could see this blast to $4 million MC very, very soon. It already did. It just needs to get back up there. And of course, Pepe Unchained, another one I'm bullish on. GigaChad, I think it could be cool. And to be fair, I can see it is available on MEXC. So if you would like to grab some of this Giga token, use my MEXC link down below. You're going to get sign up bonuses if you use my link, which will help you also have more trading funds for the future, and you're going to save some money on trading fees, which will also save you money over time. So all those links are down below. Have a little look if you actually really want to like set yourself up for crypto properly. You know, the Patreon, the MEXC, have a look at the other coins, and please subscribe if you're new here should you wish to hit your crypto goals this 2024. We'll help you get there. Jacob's Crypto Clan will help you get there, which is my Discord channel with over 25,000 people. We're doing our best to educate, teach people, make them become more sort of affluent and autonomous in the crypto space. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.